right, thanks to this company for sending us their N3 cordless stick vacuum cleaner. Little look around the box, super lightweight, tangle-free brush, long runtime, versatile cleaning. The model number is the N3, 2200 milliamp hour battery. A little picture on the top, those on the side, nothing on the bottom. So we're gonna get this out of the box, put it together, and show you exactly what it looks like. All right, so here is this vacuum all put together. We do have a little company logo there and down there as well. Now what's a little interesting is the feet on this are just these tiny little wheels, but it does have a nice turn and rotation going with it. And then if you press this, you're actually able to extend it. So it can go either lower or you can carry it way up here. I mean, that's pretty tall, don't you think?
Yeah, very.
So definitely a very nice vacuum. Now snaps all together. Turn it on. What's the low setting? So that's the low setting. Got a battery indicator, and then you can press that button to take it up to max. So you can also do the trigger, and you don't have to hold the trigger or anything. You just press it and it powers on. Outside of that, right here is the charge port for charging the vacuum, and it comes with this charging cable. You also get this wall mount that comes with the screws and everything needed, to where you could wall mount this piece, and then it just kind of clips into there to where it'd be off the floor and wall mounted. Other than that, you get 2 of these extra filters, a crevice tool, and this tool as well, which just snaps right on the front. And of course, a full user's guide telling you everything else. So that should do it for this vacuum. Thanks again to the company for sending it to us. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.